Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This is why network choice matters for latency. Once on the same network, go to your Bravia settings and enable AirPlay and HomeKit so the TV will appear as a receiver. Then, on your iPhone, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. The TV should show up. If it's the first time, a code may appear on the TV. Enter it on your iPhone to pair. This establishes the secure connection needed for mirroring. After you tap your Bravia in the screen mirroring list, the phone negotiates resolution and audio. This is why pairing can show a code. Once connected, rotate your iPhone for the desired orientation. The TV will mirror that orientation and scale, so change the Bravia aspect ratio if the image looks cropped. If sound plays from both devices, lower the iPhone volume or mute the TV remote to prevent echo. Make sure apps allow screen sharing. Protected content may disable mirroring. When you're done, stop mirroring from Control Center. This cleanly closes the session. If you encounter lag, stutter, or dropout, move both devices closer to the Wi-Fi router or switch to a 5 GHz band. This reduces congestion and explains most performance problems. If the TV never appears, restart the iPhone and the Bravia, then reboot the router. Updates to TV firmware or iOS often fix discovery issues. If pairing fails repeatedly, check the AirPlay settings on the TV to confirm it's discoverable and not restricted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.